How to share location on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Make sure you're logged into your Instagram account. After that, click on your DMs icon and you'll find all your chats. Here, click on the person's chat where you want to share location. Click on the plus button at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you've done that, here you will find location option, and if you click on it, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on only these friends and select a friend and press on done. After you've done that, when you go back to your chat, your location will be shared to that person. This is how to share location on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.